Welcome everyone to a new video. Today we have the birds in bed, so they're in a Sputnik right now. So check on the young birds. There are the birds. Bedtime. So we can check on the young ones. Here too. The blue bar, the red one. Almost ready, few days. And here we have one, it's almost ready. Really a fighter, you can see. Real character bird, really nice. Here's the Belgian hen, 2 fertile eggs. And here we have 2 youngsters. We can separate them, but we just leave them one more day with the parents. Then these 2 youngsters also ready for tomorrow to be weaned. So, and then we have these 2 for my best hen. They need another week. And then this one is on 2 eggs. So we will have another round from this one and from the Belgian hen, of course. So yeah, most of the young birds are weaned and are getting ready for have a look outside. Here we have the young birds, still with the hens, of course. Here are the hens, 4 of them. All the birds are outside in the Sputnik, as you can see. These ones will be when they are done, so we put them also in the Sputnik to for bed. So yeah, they are the youngsters, doing great, still learning from the hens, but that's the easy way, of course. As you can see, they leave the mice in it, they have to learn to eat it, but it's a little bit bigger, so that will take some more time, but eventually they will gonna eat it. So yeah. Birds in bed. And when the birds are dry, you can feel the soft feathers under the bed. It's really helping them to become healthier. So I always try to get them once a week in bed so that they have that they are clean. It'll take a moment and they will be dry up, but when the birds are healthy it won't take that long. So. this part of the loft we had a problem with the roof. On this side it was a small leak, so everything was wet here on the ground. So I tried and changed something, so I hope it's good now. We dry up the whole floor, and we also use some rock white, loft white for a faster drying. So yeah, there we have the grizzle one, youngster. There's a pair, 2 eggs. And here we have these two, also for my Belgian breeders. So some nice and great looking youngsters. The birds that are in this loft allow in the Sputnik to get to bed, so they will be clean when they are done. So yeah, we also use some loft white in this part of the loft as well, so everything is nice and dry. The birds are also almost dry, so we're gonna feed the birds, feed them some egg food, some fresh squid, stick them in the wall, and then the birds are ready for today. It's said that with the bird of prey we can't let the birds outside for this moment, but the 7th of April we will have our first training flight, so it's getting a kinda short time to let the birds train and then put them on the races. So there will be a moment that we have no other choice than leaving the birds outside and hope for the best. But yeah, we will see on how that goes. These youngsters, a few more days and they're done. I think the hen will lay shortly. It's not what we want, but yeah, the young birds need a few more days, and then we can wean them. Here, all the birds are getting back inside. Not everyone's had their bed, but it's fine. Just open the door and they will go back. The young birds are all down in there. They didn't go into a bed, but a few of them will go to other fanciers. So if I have them in a Sputnik, they will know that surroundings. So that's maybe for the other one, the other fancier, then they know this place and maybe they could come back. I heard some stories about some pigeons that made it, so that's why we just leave them in the loft, not let them see outside. But yeah, here we have 4 hens. One of them didn't have any youngsters, and the other 3 they have. And we have figuritas here as well, with 2 youngsters, already a new egg. So we will see. The youngsters are doing great, so I think this time both of them will survive. Last year I only got 1 youngster from them, from 1 nest, and I got 2, but 1 is still on the fancier. But yeah, we only managed to raise 1 every nest, so this time they're doing better. Or maybe I'm doing better because I feed them a lot of egg food and have a special diet for them, so maybe that's also a point for those birds. But yeah, here we have the birds back in their own department. There you see the grizzle one sitting on his egg. His hen laid yesterday. I think it was that hen, and I'm not sure, but I will check it out because I need to know for that youngster as well, for the registration of course. But yeah, I hope for now this loft will be staying dry and no more problems with the roof, but we'll be find out. It's raining and for now I'm not seeing anything, so let's hope for the best. So we're gonna feed the birds and then it's done for today. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up for me. I'll subscribe to my channel, you can do it down below. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching guys, see you on the next one. Bye.